Hi guys. Dito kami sa sa Wakra. Okay. Yes, you. What? Amir. Yan yung guys, yung Wakra Safari Zoo. Hindi pa kami nakapunta dyan. Dito kami sa may... Ano pangalan di kami? Come here! Come on! Come here! Ito yung first time namin dito sa Al-Wakra. Oo. Ito yung malapit sa sa dagat din.
Hey, let's go.
Where's Kuya? Hi. Yan, may mga playground din. Come. Oh, may camel pala. Sky, what's that, Sky? Look. Come on, let's watch the camel. Here. See over there. Oh, over there, camel. What's that?
Let's go.
What? What is that? Camel.
Say hi, Camel.
Maganda doon guys. So, sa likod niyan, dyan yung Wakra Safari Zoo. Is it nice, Kuya?
Yeah, but why the sleepers in the camel?
Huh?
Why the sleepers there?
What sleepers?
There.
Yeah.
Today.
I think somebody can ride that camel, Kuya. Later.
Today.
Yes?
Today, why there's a rope in the camel?
Hmm? See, they put tie on their legs
Why?
so they cannot go out from there. See? Oh, may bulong tao din dito. Yan. Dito rin yata yung banda yung may guys, may seafoods restaurant. Yeah.
Camel patrols.
May mga guys. Gandang ambience guys.
Nanasa ka sa sulod.
Okay. Ganda yun sa...
Ah.
Kasi dito sa labas guys. Dito sa labas guys, ito yung makikita mo. Hi! Yeah?
Mommy, what are you
What?
looking for?
You like burger? You like burger?
Don't choose burger. What is
This meat burger.
It's meat burger.
Hmm.
Or pizza pa lang.
It's pizza?
Burger? Better burger.
But you don't like their pizza, this one. Oh, it's not pepperoni.
It's better burger kuya. Hi! Skyler.
Chance lang yan. Yung burger na lang. And then...
What are you eating, Sky? Oh, what happened to your nose?
May drinks kayo na
Hi.
picture.
I'll be right back because I was eating
What's the camel again? Where you going? Okay.
Ano masarap na coffee mo?
Bring Skyler here. Dito masarap mag-unwind guys. Yun oh. Kita nyo may mga sasakyan dyan. Doon, meron din. Doon na yun. Nagka-camping yata yan.
Oh, Camel Rangers! Camel Rangers!
Oh, yan guys, yun yung mga camel na dumadaan dito.
Camel Rangers!
Cute section.
Bye bye. Kuya. Where are you going?
And that's the
You can't touch it. Camel will kick you. Let's go. Let's go back. Go. Go. Go back. Later again. Skylar, come on. Come on now. Goat. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ito yung pagkain natin, guys.
Oh, padidihasan nila ang
Hey. What's that? No, that's coffee, Sky. Uh-oh. Hey. Time check 5 PM guys. Marami na yung tao. Dumadami na rin. Yan. Halos mga tao dito ang ginagawa, nagkakape. So, yeah. Tsaka kagandahan dito guys kasi kita mo yung yun, sa open sea. Yan. Doon banda. Daming mga sasakyan guys. Mga nag-camp. Siguro pwedeng maligo dyan at saka mamingwit. Kasi may mangrove. Yun oh.
paraan ng mga building. Hindi dito ang
Pretty good. Yeah. Away na kami guys. Yan to yung so next time again. Tagalin tayo hindi nakapag-vlog. Bye guys. Kuya to, ang kuya oh.
Bye.
Dad.
Hi.
Are you happy? Ay sus. Camilo. Kadool namin. Okay, hi camel.
Don't spray.
Yeah. Whoa. Let's go.
Daddy, I want to spray.
Let's go.